Huh?
Failure.
What?
Failure.
Why?
I'm just joking. Hello guys, welcome to my podcast super. Today we are going to be cooking bun sale. That's it.
Rồi hết rồi.
Hết.
Ừ.
Mình còn bỏ cái sữa.
Ừ.
No, that's it.
Yeah.
Now it's looking weird. Ooh. It's smelly weird too.
Smelly weird.
And then
Nè.
crack the natural egg into
Ooh.
natural.
Bỏ xuống đây.
Now we are going to break another natural egg. Natural. Now we just mix it in with your disappointment. Dancing.
Tôi mẹ mix xem nè.
It looks weird.
Xong rồi bỏ bột nghệ vô nữa.
Really?
Nè, cầm đi mẹ lấy cho. Múc cho mẹ 2 muỗng bột nghệ.
Can you cook the rest of it? Ooh.
Một rồi, bỏ vô. Rồi, that's it.
That's it? Now we are cooking the bun sale. It looks so weird. It looks like poop.